king prawn, spring onion and ginger made. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to do a quick Chinese type dish. It's a take on a takeaway version. We are going to do king prawn, ginger and spring onions. It's a simple recipe to do. I've got some superb king prawns here. Now obviously in Asia, shrimp like this are ready available everywhere, but in the Western countries you'll have to search around for the best shrimp that you can find. So that's our shrimp, that's the start of the show. And we've got a little bit of garlic. I've got a thumb-sized piece of ginger which I've already sliced up, and I've sliced up about 1/4 of an onion. I'm going to put in the old spring onion and a little bit of chili for colour, nothing else. So we need to prep our ingredients. Garlic, no more than a smashing. It's as easy as that. And then quickly over the top with a knife. As easy as that. And then all we need to do is put our garlic on our plate. Chili just for colour. I've got a little bit of chili here, look. We just want to slice a few slices off there. Like I say, it's just for colour. There's no spice in this whatsoever. And then all we're going to do is we're going to put that on our plate as well. Right, for our spring onion then, what we need to do, we want some of that green tops off there. Want to cut those into about centimetre pieces. And then for our onion, what we're going to do, we're going to slice, because this is a big onion actually. We'll just slice that down there, and we're going to cut that into about the same size. So that's our spring onion. All we're going to do is bob that on our plate. So that's our veggies on there. We're going to use a bit of wine, a bit of oyster sauce, a little bit of sesame oil, some oil to actually stir fry this, a little pinch of pepper, salt and some corn flour slurry to thicken it up, a dash of water, and we'll end up with a very nice king prawn, spring onion and ginger. So let's just put that to one side. First job then, we have to blanch our shrimp. So I've got a pan on, got some water in. When it comes up to the boil, we'll put the shrimp in, only cook it for a couple of minutes, take it out, take the shrimp to one side, and we'll crack on with a stir fry. Right, we got the water up to the boil there. What we need to do is we need to be blanching these shrimp. So straight in there. And then we want to be taking those out. So let's have those shrimp out of there. In there, put to one side. Pan on. Now this is a really quick simple stir fry. I'm going to do it in this non-stick. A little bit of oil in there. On with the flame. So we want to be going in there with our garlic and our onions. In with a little bit of dark soy. In with some wine. In with our ginger. Little dash of sesame oil, little pinch of salt, little sprinkling of pepper, give that a little mix up. In with our shrimp, in with a splash of water, little bit of oyster sauce. In with our chilli and our spring onion. Oh, just look at the colours in there. Just look at that colour in there. And then just in with a little drizzle of cornstarch slurry. Give it a little mix through. It'll thicken up very quickly. And that is our shrimp, spring onion and ginger made. Flame off. All we need to do now is serve it up. Oh, just look at that. That is awesome. All we gotta do now is give one of these shrimp a try. Oh, those shrimp are delicious. Crunchy veg, garlic, ginger, spring onions, that lovely oyster sauce going through there with that shrimp. That is one fantastic dish. King prawn, spring onion and ginger made. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe. Share with your friends. All that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.